Yeah, it's quite an important point that we're at in the journey of qualified tutor, and in your journey as well, of course, because you know, it's a journey that some of you are coming to an end and some of you are just starting. So it's very exciting for everybody. But really, in many ways, we're all at the beginning of a journey anyway. So we've got lots of things that we need to do and things that we need to move forward with. So one of the things that I just want to do before we start the session is I just want to just thank Julia, actually, because what happened was that Julia came to me with a suggestion, and this suggestion was I was a little bit cynical about it. I wasn't sure about, qualified tutor. I don't know. It was one of those things that I could see it, but I couldn't really sort of recognize it at the moment. And Julia persuaded me, and I think it's been the most fantastic idea. So I think we've just got to say a big thank you to Julia, because it's essentially her dream. This is something that she's been working towards for quite a considerable amount of time. But more than that, Julia saw an absolute gap in the market, because, you know, the tutoring industry, which is a big industry, and it's going to get bigger, is effectively in many ways unregulated. Anyone can be a tutor, not anyone can be a qualified tutor. So there's a big difference. Over the last few weeks, some of you have had around 10 or more hours of learning, and you've been engaging with the Slack channel. And really 10 hours of learning puts you in a really, really good position. You will have heard in the national media about the tutoring programme that's going to happen nationally. I think it was about £350 million that the government are intending to invest in this, you know, as a result of the COVID-19. And you're in a fantastic position, all of you are in a fantastic position to take this forward. There's going to be some fantastic opportunities for you. And, you know, we're very proud that we've actually started you off on that journey of being qualified. So during the journey, what we've covered is we've looked at safeguarding, we've looked at relationships, we've looked at learning and teaching strategies, with the learning loop at the centre of it. And I think Julie is going to look a little bit more detail at that today. We've looked at special educational needs and disabilities, mental health and well-being, and all those things are absolutely key. But the journey doesn't stop there. You never stop learning. It's a lifelong journey that you're embarking on. And we seriously hope that you will continue to work with us, that you will grow with us, and develop with us. And I think I need to give you a special thank you, because I've been working with many of you for quite a few weeks now. And one of the things that has really struck me is that your professionalism and the way that you go about working with each other. You're so giving, you're very open and honest, and you give your views freely. And I think that really has created a fantastic culture of sharing ideas. So I think as this journey continues, we hope that you are going to continue the journey with us. We've got a lot more to offer. We've got lots of ideas. Julia has got a list, a book full of ideas that we're going to implement. And we hope that you will pick up on some of those and work with us on that. And I just want to say that the people who've now qualified, a massive congratulations. It is really a significant achievement.
Ludo, can we show the certificate?
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. And we're going to choose on our someone who's been here right from the start, our very own Dan, who's just joined us actually. So these are the wonderful certificates.
Just in time, Dan. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Excellent.
So
and I just want to leave you with a little quote. And it really, you know, what we've done over the last few weeks is really scratched the surface. We've you know, gone into some really important areas, but there's so much more that we've got to offer you. So I want to leave you with a quote, and there will be a bonus point for anyone who works out who said this quote. It's better a little which is well done than a great deal imperfectly. Who said that? Have we got any philosophers? It was Plato. Okay, so we've done a little, but we've done it well, and we've got more to give. Well done, everybody.